There's something truly special about seeing beauty where others see waste. A weathered plank, a rusted metal bracket, or a forgotten piece of scrap might seem useless at first glance, but in the hands of a creative maker, these materials hold endless potential. Hello. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, a world where sustainability meets style, and where old wood and metal are transformed into profitable craft ideas that are both meaningful and marketable. In this video, we are embracing the art of upcycling not just as a trend, but as a smart, creative lifestyle. Instead of buying expensive new materials, we are reimagining what we already have. Every scratch in the wood tells a story. Every bend in the metal adds character. When combined thoughtfully, these elements create stunning pieces that blend rustic charm with modern design. Whether you're a beginner experimenting with your first DIY project, or a passionate craftsperson looking to grow your small business, this video is packed with inspiration. You'll discover how simple scraps can become eye-catching decor, functional home accessories, and unique handmade products people are excited to buy. The best part is you don't need a huge workshop or expensive tools, just creativity, vision, and the willingness to see possibility in the overlooked. So grab your leftover wood pieces, gather those old metal finds, and get ready to transform them into something extraordinary. Let's turn forgotten materials into statement pieces, and creativity into income. Creative upcycling opens the door to endless design possibilities, especially when you begin combining two of the most timeless materials in craftsmanship, wood and metal. The warmth of natural wood paired with the strength and edge of metal creates a beautiful contrast that works in rustic, industrial, modern, and even minimalist interiors. When thoughtfully combined, these materials don't just complement each other. Wood brings texture, grain, and organic movement, while metal introduces structure, durability, and bold character. Together, they form pieces that feel balanced, stylish, and highly marketable. One of the most creative ways to combine wood and metal is through industrial-style shelving. Imagine reclaimed wooden planks mounted with black iron pipe brackets. The natural imperfections in the wood contrast beautifully with the clean lines of the metal, creating a piece that feels both rugged and refined. These shelves are not only functional for storage, but also make strong visual statements in living rooms, kitchens, and offices. They are highly profitable because they are practical and trendy, appealing to homeowners who love that modern industrial look. Another inspiring idea is crafting statement coffee tables or side tables. A thick slab of salvaged wood paired with welded metal legs instantly transforms scrap materials into a high-end furniture piece. Hairpin legs, geometric steel frames, or even repurposed metal bases from old machinery can give your wooden top a completely different personality. Leaving the wood slightly raw with a smooth finish enhances its authenticity, while powder-coated or matte black metal legs keep the design contemporary. These pieces are especially popular because they blend seamlessly into urban apartments and rustic homes alike. Lighting fixtures are another powerful way to combine wood and metal creatively. Wooden beams or blocks can serve as the base for pendant lights, with exposed metal cages or pipes holding Edison-style bulbs. The warmth of the wood softens the industrial feel of the metal, resulting in a cozy yet modern lighting design. Wall sconces made from small wooden backboards and curved metal arms can add charm to hallways and bedrooms. Lighting projects often require minimal material, but offer strong profit margins, making them ideal for small-scale craft businesses. Decorative wall art offers endless flexibility. You can mount metal silhouettes onto wooden panels to create striking contrast pieces. Think of abstract metal shapes over stained wood backgrounds, or layered designs where metal cutouts float slightly above the wood surface. This layered approach creates depth and shadow, giving your art a more professional finish. Even simple combinations, like attaching rusted metal letters onto reclaimed boards, can create farmhouse-style signage that customers love. For smaller, beginner-friendly projects, consider combining wood and metal in functional home accessories. Coat racks made from wooden boards with metal hooks, key holders crafted with scrap wood and small metal brackets, or candle holders that pair wooden bases with metal frames are simple yet stylish. These projects require less time and material, making them perfect for testing designs or building inventory for craft fairs and online shops. Because they are affordable and useful, they tend to sell quickly. If you're looking to experiment with more artistic designs, geometric furniture is a fantastic direction. Metal frames welded into triangular or rectangular shapes can support wooden tops, creating sleek desks, console tables, or plant stands. The clean symmetry of metal geometry enhances the natural flow of wood grain. This contrast between structured lines and organic texture makes each piece feel dynamic and intentional. Custom geometric designs also allow you to stand out in a crowded handmade market. Outdoor furniture and garden decor provide another opportunity for creative combinations. Treated wood paired with weather-resistant metal can produce durable benches, plant holders, and trellises. A wooden bench with curved metal armrests adds elegance to a garden setting, while metal frames wrapped with wooden slats create modern patio chairs. Using reclaimed materials for outdoor pieces not only reduces waste, but also appeals to environmentally conscious buyers. If these ideas are sparking new project plans in your mind, take a moment to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with fellow makers who love turning scrap into statement pieces. Your support helps keep creative ideas flowing and encourages more sustainable crafting in our community. Now, let's continue exploring even more innovative ways to blend wood and metal. Storage solutions offer another excellent category for wood and metal combinations. Think about entryway benches with wooden seating surfaces supported by sturdy metal frames. Add a lower metal rack for shoes, and you've created a practical, stylish piece that customers immediately recognize as useful. Floating desks with slim metal brackets and solid wood tops are perfect for small apartments. These compact, space-saving designs are particularly appealing in urban markets. Mixing finishes is another creative strategy. Pair dark-stained wood with brushed steel for a modern aesthetic, or combine lightly sanded driftwood with aged copper for a coastal vibe. Experimenting with texture is key. Smooth, polished wood against raw, unfinished metal creates contrast, while distressed wood with rusted metal delivers a vintage farmhouse feel. The possibilities expand when you allow yourself to explore different tones and finishes. You can also repurpose unexpected items. Old metal tools can be mounted onto wooden boards as artistic wall displays. Salvaged metal grates can serve as decorative inserts in wooden cabinet doors. Even discarded bed frames can be reimagined as the metal base for a new wooden bench. The beauty of upcycling lies in your ability to see beyond an object's original purpose. For those interested in maximizing profits, customization is essential. Offer clients options for wood stains, metal finishes, and dimensions. Personalized engraving on wooden surfaces combined with sleek metal accents can transform a simple product into a meaningful gift item. Customization adds value and helps your pieces stand out in online marketplaces. Functionality should always guide creativity. When wood and metal work together structurally, the piece becomes stronger and longer lasting. Metal provides reinforcement where wood might otherwise bend, and wood softens metal's industrial intensity. This structural harmony not only enhances aesthetics, but also improves durability, which customers appreciate. As you experiment, focus on craftsmanship. Clean welds, smooth sanding, balanced proportions, and secure joints make the difference between a hobby project and a professional product. Even simple designs can look high-end when finished thoughtfully. Take time to seal wood properly and protect metal from corrosion when necessary. Quality finishing ensures your pieces remain beautiful for years. Ultimately, combining wood and metal is about storytelling. Each scratch, grain line, and welded seam carries history. When you bring them together, you create something new without erasing the past. That blend of old and new resonates deeply with buyers who value authenticity and sustainability. These materials remind us that beauty can come from what was once overlooked. As we wrap up this exploration of creative ways to combine wood and metal, remember that innovation starts with imagination. Look at your scrap pile differently. See potential instead of waste. Experiment boldly, refine patiently, and craft with intention. Whether you're building for your home, your passion, or your business, every piece you create contributes to a more sustainable and creative world. Thank you for spending this time exploring ideas and possibilities. Keep designing, keep building, and keep transforming simple materials into extraordinary creations. Your next masterpiece might already be waiting in your workshop. All it needs is your vision to bring it to life.